For this edition of Straumann Connections, we've come to the Fugasato Rost Periodontics Clinic near Boston in Massachusetts for a 5-day event in which 25 patients will receive the new fully ceramic Straumann Pure implant, which has just become available in the United States.
Our first goal, of course, is to treat patients and meet their needs. Our second goal is to introduce them to a system and a treatment armamentarium and a treatment approach which will help address some of their fears. There are simply people afraid of having, quote, metal implants.
People are becoming more holistic. They don't want anything but white because teeth are white. There's a large patient population that desires to have that service provided for them.
And ceramic implant, of course, offers the advantage of an all-white implant for aesthetics, of an implant that is not silver and metal so that patients are more comfortable.
It's definitely been an issue when restoring a standard titanium implant in the aesthetic zone. There's a lot that has to be done to try to compensate for that metal potentially showing through the tissue.
It's a one-stop where you have the implant and the abutment that we place the crown in placed at the same time, and that gets scanned in so the precision and the fit of the crown from a restorative aspect is great.
It provides really good tissue stability. The gums actually love the implant and they grow towards it, and it's just another way we have to regrow our patients some teeth.
I'm a 911 dispatcher for the Quincy Police. I deal with people all day long. I want to make sure that when they come to see me, that I'm not walking around with no front tooth. And I want to make sure that they're comfortable and not scared of come up and talking to me.
I work in a bank, and much of my day is in front of clients and or colleagues. I was very concerned about the gap in the front of my teeth in terms of how it would impact my job.
I've got a stomach ailment, and being able to properly bite and chew my food is essential to good health, and this is a big help towards that. And I'm in the process of looking for a new job, so this is to help me.
I certainly trust my dentist, Dr. Smith, and he advised me that this particular implant is something that's, the wave of the future. So I'm excited about the prospect.
A very simple technique. The dentist took an impression and a bite. We sent them to the laboratory. We planned the case together digitally. The laboratory made the guide. Patient came in. We spoke with them a bit, performed the procedure, taking the tooth out and placing the implant. The restorative dentist was here to place the provisional crown. The procedure, start to finish, of actual working time was probably 20 minutes.
It's a new concept. We're the first study group in the U.S., so I'm excited about it. We're heading in the right direction. Most certainly, this would be a great product for those patients who have any sensitivity or allergy to any byproducts that come along with the titanium implant.
It has a lot of advantages by the name Straumann with it. That means it's been extensively bench tested. It's been extensively field tested. If it did not pass those tests with flying colors, it's not given to people to use in their patient population. That's the difference.
It was easier than I thought. No pain. It went great. The staff is fantastic. Great people. They made it so easy and so comfortable. It was good. They did a great job. No pain, nothing.
We teach courses and we have people come and say, I'm not going to use that, it's too expensive. I'm not going to use this, it's too expensive. And they forget a simple thing, that every day an amazing thing happens to me and happens to all these other clinicians. A human being comes to me and gives me their body and says, can you help me? So you do the best you can. So I don't have any patience for this is too expensive. I don't have patience for that at all. I have patience for what would you do in your mouth? Do the same thing.
Well, that gives you just a small taste of the great enthusiasm that Straumann Pure has created here. We'd like to thank the clinic and the doctors for making this event possible. We'd like to thank the patients for sharing their experience with us. And we'd like to thank you for watching. Goodbye.